Hi everyone, welcome to this Rane DJ tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to adjust the tension of your Rane 4's Mag 4 crossfader to your liking. First, let's cover the materials you'll need to do this. You'll need 2 screwdrivers, one Phillips head screwdriver and one flathead screwdriver. We also highly recommend grabbing some plastic baggies or other small containers to temporarily store your screws and fader caps. Also, before you remove any of your Rane 4's parts, make sure to power it off and disconnect its power cable. Now that your 4 is prepped, it's time to remove the fader caps and faceplate. Using a firm grip, lift off the crossfader and channel volume fader caps and set them aside. Next, using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 5 faceplate screws and set them aside. Be sure to store your screws and fader caps in your baggies or other containers so you don't lose any of them. Once you've removed the screws, lift the faceplate off from the bottom. You now have unobstructed access to your 4's Mag 4 crossfader. Let's learn how to adjust its tension. The crossfader tension is adjusted by turning the tension screw with your flathead screwdriver. Turning the tension screw counterclockwise will decrease the amount of tension. Conversely, turning the tension screw clockwise will increase the amount of tension. Once you've settled on a tension setting you feel comfortable with, simply replace the faceplate, screws, and fader caps, and you're good to go. For more info and further support for using your Rane 4, head over to rane.com/support, where you'll find FAQs and walkthroughs in the Rane knowledge base, as well as a portal to contact the Rane technical support team. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.